Everyone, I am Surakshita from MPM Government First Grade College Karkada. Today I am going to explain about the topic tax provision in respect of tax incentives to exporter. Government of India enacted one act called SEZ Act 2005. This concept was borrowed from the country China. Income from newly unit in respect of special economic zone. For these conditions are as follows. It begins to manufacture or produce articles or things or provide any services including computer software after 31st 3 2005 but before 1 4 2020 in any special economic zone. The unit must be established in a special economic zone. The SSE not a trader or a wholesaler or a retailer. The SSE must be a manufacturer or produce articles or things or provide any services. The following condition is to be applied. The deduction under this section shall be allowed as under the total period of 15 years from the relevant assessment year. For the first 5 years, 100% of the profits and gains derived from the export of such articles or things or from any services. For the next 5 years, that is 6 to 10 years, 50% of such profits and gains. For the next 5 years, that is 11 to 15 years, 50% of the profit as debited to P&L account of the previous year in respect of which deduction is to be allowed and credited to special economic zone reinvestment reserve account, and this amount is utilized for the purpose of a business of the SSE. It is not formed by splitting up or a reconstruction of a business already in existence. However, this condition is not applied in respect of such undertakings which is formed as a result of establishment of a re-establishment, reconstruction or a revival of the SSE under the circumstances and within the period specified, that is 3 years, under section 33b. It should not be formed by splitting up or a reconstruction of a business which is already in existence. However, the deduction is provided if the unit is formed as a result of re-establishment, reconstruction or rival by the SSE of the business and satisfying the conditions in section 33b. It is not formed by transfer of a plant or machinery previously used in any purpose. It should not be formed by the transfer of a plant and machinery which is previously used for any purpose to a new business. Further, where the total value of the plant and machinery transferred to a new business does not exceed 20% of the value of the plant or machinery used in the business, the benefit of exemption will be denied to it. Deduction under section 10AA will be available if the total value of the plant or machinery transferred to a new business does not exceed 20% of the total value of the plant and machinery which is used in the business. Utilization of amount credited to reserve account. For acquiring a plant or a machinery which is first put to use before the expiry of 3 years next following the previous year in which the reserve was created. It should be utilized for the purpose of acquiring a new plant and machinery which is first put to use within the 3 years from the date of creation of the reserve. Until the acquisition of plant or machinery for the purpose of business of undertakings. Until the acquisition of plant or machinery, the amount can be utilized for the business. The amount can be utilized for the business purpose, but it cannot be utilized for the distribution of dividend or profit or remittance of outside India as a profit or creating assets outside the India. Taxability of the amount credited to reserve account or misutilization of amount credited to reserve account. If the amount is utilized for any purpose other than specified above, the amount is so utilized shall be taxable for the year in which the amount is utilized. If the amount is utilized for any other purpose other than business, the amount is so utilized shall be deemed to be a profit of the year in which it was utilized. If the plant or machinery is not acquired and put to use as discussed above, the amount shall be chargeable for this year immediately following the expiry period of the 3 years in which the amount was credited to reserve account. If the amount is not utilized within the period of 3 years, then it should be taxable. Computation of profit. Export turnover means the consideration in respect of the export by the unit of articles or things service received or brought into India by the SSA, but it include freight, telecommunication charges, insurance attributable to delivery of articles or things outside the India, or expenses, if any, incurred for the foreign exchange in rendering of the services, including the computer software outside the India. Export in relation to special economic zone means taking of goods or providing services out of the India from the special economic zone by the land, sea, air, or by any other mode, whether physical or otherwise. Relevant assessment year means any assessment year is falling within the period of 15 assessment years. Thank you.